This is a charming country property sitting on 5 private acres in Pennsylvania, offering a rare mix of character, usable land, and a highly convenient location near lakes and outdoor recreation. To amenities and recreation. The home offers approximately 1,697 square feet of living space, with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The layout is functional and comfortable, making it suitable for full-time living, a weekend getaway, or a long-term investment property. Inside, you'll find hardwood and tile flooring throughout, along with warm, natural finishes that bring character into every room. The living room features a stone fireplace that serves as a strong focal point, adding both warmth and classic country charm. The basement expands the usable space and includes a finished bar area along with a wood stove, giving you additional room for entertainment, storage, or hobby use, depending on your needs. Outside, the 5 acres offer a strong mix of wooded privacy and open ground, giving you flexibility for gardening, outdoor recreation, or even small-scale homesteading. There is also a small frog pond and decorative rock wall borders that add natural character to the landscape. Additional structures on the property provide extra storage and utility, making it easier to manage tools, equipment, or outdoor projects. This property combines land, location, and character in one complete package, offering a rare opportunity to own a peaceful country home in Pennsylvania with space and potential.